Hey guys, welcome back to Care Fiction. I'm your host Subhankar. That clip is from the upcoming Netflix original series, Cursed, whose trailer dropped a week back. Have you seen the trailer yet? If so, then let me know what you think of it. Because today, we are going to discuss the series and more specifically, the central character. Let's begin. Cursed is a fantasy series based on the eponymous illustrated novel by Frank Miller and Tom Wheeler. Frank Miller is a well-known American comic book writer, penciler, inker, novelist, screenwriter, film director, and producer, who is best known for his comic book stories and graphic novels like Daredevil, The Dark Knight Returns, Batman Year One, Sin City, and also 300. He has also worked on the film versions of Sin City, A Dame to Kill For, and also produced the film 300. Tom Wheeler is a television writer and a producer. He served as the executive producer and showrunner for the NBC superhero series, The Cape. Coming to Netflix on 17th July, it is described as a reimagining of the Arthurian legend told from the perspective of Nimue, who is the central character in this retelling. Nimue is played by Katherine Langford of 13 Reasons Why and Knives Out fame. Merlin is played by Gustav Skarsgård of Viking and Westworld fame. A young Arthur is portrayed by Devon Terrell. Netflix has a fair share of hits and misses, giving us awesome series like Stranger Things, Dark, The Witcher, and with a brilliant cast at the helm, I am least worried about the performances. But what I am most concerned about is the fact that the series is based on Arthurian legends. Over the years, the tales of Arthurian characters have been adapted to the small and big screens alike, with diverse narratives and retellings. But unfortunately, I am not satisfied with how they turned out to be. And since I am a huge fan of these legendary tales and characters, I have grown to take a cautious course, and thus not getting hyped of further adaptations. But what I am excited about and about to share with you is the point of view storytelling, chiefly focusing on somewhat obscured and unexplored legendary character, that is Nimue. Let's dive in. As I have mentioned before, the novel written by Thomas Wheeler and illustrated by Frank Miller is a young adult fiction novel. It is about a young woman named Nimue who belongs to the Fae kind, one of the tribes of the various fairy kinds who have different powers depending on the tribe. Her people have been persecuted by religious zealots known as Red Paladins. At the epicenter of such events is the fabled Sword of Power, which she inherits from her dying mother. She is tasked to take the sword to the wizard Merlin, who has lost the ability to perform magic. But Nimue instead uses the sword to avenge and protect her people. Along the way, she finds an ally in a young sellsword named Arthur, and also meets a few Arthurian-based characters like Uther Pendragon, Lancelot, Percival, Gawain, and Morgan. Her fate is sealed with the sword. I won't spoil it for you, but it is tragic. All these characters in the novel that I have mentioned are different than what they really are from the original Arthurian tales, and not in a good way. Even the Sword of Power feels like a ripoff of Excalibur. I like the story, but the character and the character arcs does not rhyme with my liking, and thus the entire narrative in the novel falls rather flat and a tad uninteresting sometimes. Coming to the central character Nimue, in the Arthurian tales, she is more famously known as the Lady of the Lake. The Lady of the Lake is an enchantress in the Arthurian works of literature. She plays a pivotal role in many stories, including giving Arthur his sword Excalibur, enchanting Merlin, and raising Lancelot after the death of his father. In fact, the Lady of the Lake is a name of several related characters who play integral parts in the Arthurian legend. In the modern literature, the Lady of the Lake is best known as either Nimue or several other names like Ninian and Vivian. Nimue may very well have been the true Lady of the Lake that is talked about in most Arthurian legends and stories. She is also known as the woman who sealed Merlin in a cave or a tree and put him under a spell. According to legend, she lived in a castle beneath a lake surrounding in the mystical island of Avalon, and when Arthur was near death, she saved him by taking him to Avalon. Surprisingly, in all the Arthurian works so far, the backstory of the Lady of the Lake has not been fully explored, and only a handful of works tells the legendary stories from the perspective of the female characters. This provides a great opportunity for the upcoming series to take a newfangled creative direction from the narrative and the storytelling aspects. And that is what we are so eager to see on the 17th of July. So now you have a fair amount of knowledge about Nimue or Lady of the Lake before going to the series. That would help you to set a level of expectation from the series. And with that, I'm signing off for now. And you know the drill. Like, comment and subscribe. See you soon.